The CoinSeries channel appreciates your continued support. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSeries. Who came to our channel CoinSeries? You will always be info with the latest CoinSeries news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Alright, let's get things straightened out and get this party started. There has been much conjecture that XRP will easily go over $10,000 for a sum now. However, did you know what? There has been a major improvement to that prediction. Who else but BlackRock's Larry Fink would back this endeavor? He is serious when he says $10,000 for one XRP. His tone makes it sound like it's crucial, oh no. At this point, things become heated. Hold your breath until Wall Street giants like BlackRock and Vanguard really examine XRP for their international operations. It gets better. A rumored exchange-traded fund, ETF, focused on XRP is in the works at BlackRock. I say it again, you're right. Just a moment, though. It wasn't Larry Fink's only accomplishment. The vast real estate market is valued at $30 trillion. Not only that, the factors that will determine its future course may surprise you. Once the XRP ledger is ready, tokenization can take place for everything. On top of that, the ISDA is contributing an astounding $1.2 trillion. In addition to the International Swaps and Traders Association, a $10,000 transaction involving XRP will be conducted through the XRP ledger and RippleNet. It's just for fun. One XRP coin might be worth $60,000 at the present inflation rate. Utterly astonishing. Okay, then, I guess we can skip to the next section. Larry Fink of BlackRock dropped another surprise. This man is not just talking. The digital assets he's representing, Ripple and XRP, are going through a radical change as they tokenize everything. Keep watching, because we have some stunning footage coming up in the second part of the clip. After Larry Fink's confirmation that BlackRock is considering an XRP ETF, we shouldn't dally any longer. Here it is, the video you have been waiting for. Is the XRP ETF going to get a new app? Among the ways we are legitimizing and securing Bitcoin is through an ETS. In my opinion, that Ether app is superfluous. Oh, I see. Here we go on XRP. Does anything need an answer from you? Absolutely not. And you know what else? Should I? Regrettably, that is not something I can accomplish. I was told that the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing a flood of odd activity recently, with XRP being the most prominent. The famous Crypto.com exchange is where you may find this. Incredibly, the value of XRP reached $43,000. This is just the beginning. The sudden and unexplained increase in XRP's value fits neatly within this pattern. Last week, we discussed the $7,000 XRP issue at a large exchange. Do you remember that? These sudden price spikes for XRP seem to be happening often on a number of exchanges. Now Crypto.com is the latest to experience this. But now I want to change topics and tell you about something entirely different, something equally fascinating that is unrelated to BlackRock or the overall XRP market surge, that I discovered throughout my research. We are looking at the actions of the well-known SEC chairman Gary Gensler, who took over from Jay Clinton. You may be aware that Gensler has long believed that XRP qualifies as a security. At this point, things take a fascinating turn. Robert M. Gensler, Gary's twin brother, looked much like him and was about the same age. As the company's VP, Robert is crucial to T. Rowe Price's success. If you look into it, you'll see that T. Rowe Price isn't like other financial firms. It has become one of the major players in the Bitcoin market by investing heavily in the cryptocurrency. Certainly, XRP and Ethereum. As a result, there is a fascinating connection. The fact that Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, is adamant about XRP being classified as a security, while his twin brother is highly involved in an investment firm that is a big investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies, is an interesting contrast that raises many questions about the complicated dynamics at play in the world of cryptocurrency regulations and investments. The fascinating possibility that T. Rowe Price VP Robert Gensler has insider knowledge about XRP's potential, comparable to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum, is the next item on the agenda. This notion is supported by the firm's considerable holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, which have been revealed in several investigations and publications, despite the SEC's apparent rejection of insider trading. As these probes into market manipulation and insider trading have repeatedly uncovered questionable actions within the SEC, a trend seems to be emerging. Some digital assets may soon be declassified from the securities classification, and SEC executives are apparently telling their families about it. These family members put money down early. This officially classifies the item as non-security. Its worth will skyrocket, which means these loved ones will reap the benefits. You can only succeed by buying low and selling high. Here we can consider the possibility that Robert and Gensler were privy to information on the SEC's potential loss and the lawsuit filed against XRP by his brother Gary Gensler. If Congress is looking into a settlement offer from Ripple Labs and the SEC, as this data implies, then savvy investors may want to consider purchasing XRP. T. Rowe Price, meantime, is increasing its Bitcoin holdings. Elements that are Ether, everything gets even more complicated with the advent of XRP, and the cryptocurrency industry is going crazy about the prospect of XRP's value going up in the sky. Notable XRP bulls like Jack the Ripper have forecasted a dramatic increase in its value, maybe reaching $589, and this might be worth $13, $20, or $60,000. It is my strong suspicion that the first significant step toward Wall Street capitalizing on the profitable XRP market will be the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. Despite its audacity, this forecast demonstrates the growing fascination with XRP and its cryptocurrency market prospects. An analyst at Crypto Basic is making wild speculations about possible large investments in XRP by JP Morgan, and a former director of Ripple has seen these rumors. Since the story develops in this way, it is crucial that we investigate this material thoroughly, since it caused me to question. Controversial comments made by Ben Armstrong, who had been associated with the BitBoy crypto brand before, revived claims that JP Morgan had invested in XRP. After a well-known crypto personality revealed this in a series of posts, an ex-Ripple director named Armstrong responded. According to him, JP Morgan has bought 7.5 million XRP coins. Hold on a second, because Armstrong's math is totally wrong. He goes on to state that this deal involves 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth. So that everything can be understood. Given that JP Morgan estimates their total assets to be $3.89 trillion in 2023, Armstrong's assessment seems off. At its present value of $4.46 million, 7.5 million XRP doesn't even come close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's fortune. Nevertheless, Armstrong highlights the significance of JP Morgan's policy, which he takes to mean that the bank is covertly storing XRP, hence, JP Morgan is positioned as a promising player in the cryptocurrency market. Here we have a story about how prominent Wall Street figures, such as JP Morgan, may be becoming engaged with the cryptocurrency business, particularly with XRP. The fact that large banks are investing in cryptocurrency is noteworthy, even if the figures aren't entirely accurate. The fact that XRP is central to a number of interesting developments suggests a larger trend toward a merging of the digital currency realm with conventional banking. The massive asset management firm BlackRock has also been scrutinized due to Armstrong's bold assertions. Following the approval of its iShares Bitcoin ETF, he is creating quite a stir by saying that BlackRock is adding XRP to its investment portfolio. Armstrong persisted. Additionally, he is occupied with the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC. Despite the legal drama, he believes that these large financial institutions are still purchasing XRP due to their faith in its potential and optimism about its future. Given the lack of clarity about XRP's regulatory status, This could mean that big banks are betting on the cryptocurrency. Listen up, folks, Wall Street's acceptance of Bitcoin was always on the horizon. After all these years of discussing this, I still can't believe we're here. It felt like a dream back then. It is possible that XRP is hesitant to follow Bitcoin's success. Regrettably, I differ. The situation that Armstrong is painting may not be all-encompassing, but bear with me, the plot gets more complicated. When, not if, is the question. Matt Hamilton, a former director of Ripple, injected some healthy skepticism into Armstrong's astonishing claims by casting doubt on the legitimacy of the transaction. Another issue he had was regarding the potential impact on XRP. Given the massive supply of tokens, Hamilton whips out the calculator. Out of a total of 100 billion XRP, 7.5 million XRP constitutes a pathetic 0.0075%. I take it as a satire, because even Hamilton joked about it. Concerning the claims made by Armstrong, it's a light-hearted nod to the ridiculousness of Armstrong's assertions, suggesting that they could be best grasped through a humorous lens. Since the math is quite self-contained, I'll go ahead and explain it. Hamilton used accurate figures to demonstrate the glaring mistakes in the original claim. Something clearly isn't right with the math. But now I can't stop thinking about how this wild story ever started. I did some reading, and guess what? I was a lucky winner. I located the source, which is a true beast. With that, we have finished our investigation into the complex and often confusing field of crypto reporting. Maintaining a state of extreme vigilance and awareness is crucial. As you navigate these rough waters, you can rely on me to give you the honest scoop every time. Please be aware that I do not hold the certification of a licensed financial planner. The sexual content in these films is there solely for your entertainment. I constantly advise my viewers to conduct their own research and consult with professionals before making any large financial decisions. We much appreciate your presence here today. To show your appreciation, if you thought the video was fun, subscribe and hit the like button. Arriving soon, goodbye.